People give opportunity to those they know. Magaling ka nga. Wala namang nakakaalam na magaling ka. So, paano ka mabibigyan ng oportunidad, di ba? Allow me to share with you the 3 key foundation to become successful. Gusto ko isulat mo ito. Trust, mastery, and impact. Trust, because relationships moves faster than resume. Whether you like it or not, minsan, nagsisimula ang oportunidad hindi sa kung gaano kakagaling, kung hindi sa sino kilala mo. Real talk lang ba? People give opportunity to those they know. Magaling ka nga. Wala namang nakakaalam na magaling ka. So, paano ka mabibigyan ng oportunidad, di ba? Mastery. Because it's never about how good you speak, but it's always about how great you deliver. Yes, relationship is important, but the question is, can they rely on you? It's never about what you know, never about who you know, but it's always about who knows you. And what do they know about you? Master mo ba ang craft mo? Reliable ka ba dyan? Dependable? At masasabi mo sa sarili mong ikaw ang pinakamagaling. Kasi kung hindi, time put and spend more time, energy, and effort to growing yourself and studying your craft. And last but not the least, impact. Because legacy doesn't just end with you. Hopefully, it gets to outlive the hype. It becomes stable and sustainable. How? Because you know that whatever you're doing is contributing to many people. Nakakatulong sa tao, nakakapagpabago ng buhay, nakakapag-solve, because let me tell you this, trust is the access, mastery is the engine, but impact is what will sustain.